Hey, what's good, Bellamecia Gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. It should be a big bright red if you haven't done so already. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post any new upcoming videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my bulletproof fall wash day routine that I use when my hair is acting up. It's dry, it's breaking, it's dirty, and in need of some strengthening and a hell of a lot of moisture, okay? Because this cold weather in New York has been unforgiving. So if you guys want to see how to get your hair to survive this harsh winter weather, just keep on watching. The first thing I'm gonna do is test the water temperature because I am not trying to burn myself, nor do I need to freeze myself to death when it's already brick outside, okay? So we're looking for the perfect lukewarm temperature to start applying my first layer of moisture, which is water. As you guys know, I love a good pre-poo, but your girl was feeling lazy as hell today and decided to skip that step. Plus, I had somewhere to be, so I needed to get this wash and go going. You get it? Wash and go. I have to go after I wash my hair.
Oh, wait, you serious?
Okay, no, just me? Alright. Anyway, I have to say though, if your hair is badly damaged or you've never tried a pre-poo, I highly recommend that you give it a try and don't skip this step. It definitely makes the wash day process go a whole lot easier while preventing your hair from getting too dry after the washing process. I already have a few videos on my channel showing you how to pre-poo, so if you guys haven't seen that yet, I'll be sure to link it in the description box down below. So after drenching my hair with water, I'm gonna go in with the Rastsul Clay Sulfate-Free Shampoo by Carol's Daughter. I actually ordered this from the Ulta website and it came damaged, and I didn't feel like returning that crap, so I'm just gonna screw off the top and pour that bad boy into my hand and apply it directly to my scalp. This shampoo is so creamy, oh my god, and it's perfect for your hair if it's like over processed, overworked, or even overwashed. It draws out sweat and impurities, it cleanses without stripping, it also softens and improves manageability. And y'all know I could not get through this wash day without listening to some tunes, okay? So as I go in with my second wash, you know, I'm just gonna be over here jamming to some music while giving myself a scalp massage to lift up all that dirt and grime and grease. And once I'm done, I just rinse that bad boy out and my hair is left squeaky clean without looking too dry. Next up, I'm going in with my Almond Milk Daily Damage Repair Restoring Conditioner by Carol's Daughter. This product is perfect for extremely damaged and overprocessed hair. It does an amazing job at reversing the damage and just strengthening and protecting the hair against any future damage. Oh, and did I mention this crap smells so good? Like, I can't put my finger on it, but it just smells like some edible cookie or just some sweet bread. It's amazing. The pump on this thing is really convenient, but it can also be very annoying to try to get it out. But once I do get it out, all you want to do is just massage this into your scalp and in your hair, making sure to pay attention to the ends, especially if they're looking as fried and janky as mine are. This product is made with almond milk, so it's extremely creamy. It also has aloe butter and shea oil, making it extremely moisturizing to the hair. And you know, if your hair is just like fried from using like a whole bunch of products, or just dry because you haven't been taking care of it, this is definitely the product for you if you want to add some hydration to it. And you just want to leave it in your hair for like 3 to 5 minutes, and once you're done, you just want to rinse this bad boy out. As you can see, I had like a piece of hair in my mouth that was pretty annoying, and if you can tell by my facial expression, it didn't taste good either. But y'all know on wash day, hair literally be everywhere, okay? But as you guys can see, I am loving these results, honey. Like, my hair is so soft, like I can see the difference with my curls, they popping. You know, my hair is just like super moisturized. Y'all, I love this product so much. This is definitely a new holy grail product. Moving on to deep conditioner. The one I'll be using today is the Moisture Miracle Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask by African Pride. Now, this is my first time using this deep conditioner and I was so impressed. The texture of this product kind of reminds me of like cake frosting. It's very creamy but not too thick. It has Moroccan red clay in it, which does a great job at like clarifying your hair. The shea butter does a tremendous job at moisturizing your hair strand and just helping to strengthen it, which you're gonna need in these colder months. So all I do is section my hair into 4 sections and generously apply it from root to tips. carefully to coat each and every strand. I already have an in-depth deep condition routine on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it in the description box down below. But yeah, once I'm done, I'm left with these 4 twists, and all I'm going to do is pin my hair up and then put a shower cap or a plastic bag over my head. Right now I have a plastic bag, so that's what I'm going to use, and I'm just going to tie it at the back. And normally I would like walk around the house with like a hot towel on my head, but this time I'm going to sit under that dreaded hooded dryer for about 15 minutes, and while I'm under there I find something to read, like this magazine, or I just jam to some tunes. Today I got really lucky because babe made me this banging berry smoothie and it hit the spot, honey. Y'all know how it is when that hooded dryer, you just be under there for like 5 minutes, it feels like 20 minutes. So I really needed this boost. Look, he mad hype how good it came out, so he want to show you guys. Comment down below if y'all think y'all know what he put in it. So yeah, while I'm under there, you know, I'm just gonna get my life for 15 minutes, drink my smoothie, scroll through Instagram, and once I'm done, I hop my ass back in the shower to wash out this deep conditioner. Ooh, y'all see that? That deep conditioner did such a good job at like replenishing the moisture to my hair, adding some strength. Y'all see my curls are popping and more hydrated than ever. Like, your girl is happy. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, Carol's daughter was never my jam. My mom always swear by this stuff, and I finally decided to give her products a try when I saw on sale at Ulta, and I'm so glad I did, y'all. Comment down below if you're a Carol's daughter fan. I'm definitely going to be trying out more products from her line. If you guys have any recommendations for me to try out, leave them in the comment section down below. As always, I love you guys for watching. Be sure to smash that like button if you liked what you saw today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. As always, beauties, I love you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.